Vicseed car vent phone mount. Made of plastic and aluminum alloy structure. The vent clip is double locking with a U-shaped slot and built in metal so it does not break easily. It does have a ball mount design for 360-degree rotation. Weighs in at about 2.72 ounce. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. Easy, quick install. Simply insert into one of the vents and use this knob to lock into place. There you go, nice and snug. Then you grab your mount, go ahead and remove this screw, place it over the ball mount, snap into place, and then lock it tight. Triangular support and anti-slip silicone design. Easy one-step operation, automatically clamps and releases the phone. Fits phones from 4.7 inches to 6.7 inches and up to 0.59 inch thick. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more videos just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.